Hello, this is day 3 in Portland. Walking again on a nice little trail. Crazy graffiti. Downtown Portland again. Here's OMSI, famous Oregon Museum of Science. Oh, they're showing Jurassic Park. We'll be walking over this Tilcomb Bridge. It's only for foot traffic and buses. There's a submarine museum at OMSI that people can go visit. This is kind of the newer part of town. Newer buildings and condos. And up there on the hill is a university. There's a gondola that goes up to it. More cool architecture. There's the gondola that goes up to the university. Getting ready to leave. 2 for 1 today. There it goes.
The bridge, the second bridge. Your city, which city you would stay? Okay. But I will try to make kind of difficult first day. Second day is easier. But I will campsite. There's a bridge, so it totally depends on how my condition is.
Interesting building. Pretty cool condos. This is a nice old spaghetti factory by the river. Wow, that is very nice. Look at that view. It's huge. This is an open market. They have all kinds of foods. Trains. A great way to transport yourself. Walking with Andy and
Really?
me
Videotaping us?
Yes.
in Portland, or so they say.
Uh-huh.
Well, this used to be a mall once, but of course, as many malls, they're dying. So yeah, they're turning this into like residential and restaurants, and but yeah, everything is like closed. And the ice rink is still going. That's the only thing that's really exciting here. Wow. Cool stairs in the mall, or so-called mall. That's kind of cool. All the food places are gone. Oh, there is an Auntie Annie's though. Wee. Ice 5. Oh man, look at that. Wow. It's the Oregon Convention Center, which I've been in a few times. Hopefully this is good. Good reviews and pizza. Pizza. It's like a nice place. We'll see how the pizza is. I'm sure it's amazing. The pictures online say it's amazing. It looks pretty good. Mushroom something, and margarita something, and Andy something. Are we ready to chow down? Yeah. This is gonna be amazing, I know it. I know it. That's pecorino cheese. Fire pit.